From great resignation to, I would say, great solution, and that lies in the mind of every human being. When the word is there in my mind and that word triggers me, I get carried away by the mind itself, and it causes all kinds of challenges. Just take a best example. In a sound sleep, the body is not there, the mind is absent, the world is absent. When we wake up from the sound sleep, we experience calmness, refreshed, relaxation. But is it possible to live life without body, mind, and the world? Answer is no. So where lies the solution? So the Eastern wisdom guides us, you live with the body, mind, memory, intellect, and ego in the waking state, you are carried away. Or you can say the mind starts working on you. Then only we experience dissatisfaction, unhappiness, insecurity, pain, blame, and the suffering. Is it possible that we live with the body but without the body? We live with the mind but without the mind, without that crazy mind I just explained. Is that possible? And if it is possible, we are always happy, satisfied, secure. No situation outside, no condition outside, no organization outside can or should be the cause of your worries, your problem. It is a great adventure into the Eastern wisdom. There was a great master who lived almost 2500 years ago, known as the Janaka. He was given a title Videha. Videha means not with the body. He lived he was a king. He passed on the judgment to criminals, he managed the treasury, and he managed the entire kingdom. Is it possible? Eastern wisdom says 100% possible. It is by learning how the mind works on us and how we should work on the mind so that we can convert every situation, every dissatisfaction into... Yeah, there are some limitations. But those limitations, when you recognize, they do not create any problem to you. So you forget about the resignation, you see the solution in that problem, in that dissatisfaction. Instead of putting both the organization and the employer. I'm just talking of both. Employer is also a person and employee is also a person. They both are the human being. They both have to work on their mind to find the solution, and when we work on the mind, the solution is always available. This is what the Eastern wisdom teaches. And this is what I offer these programs to both employer and the employee.